भारताचो पयले खाजगी रितीन तयार केल्ले विक्रम एस रॉकेट हे इस्रो ह्या भारतीय संस्थेन प्रक्षेपीत केले. स्कायरूट एरोस्पेस कंपनीन तयार केल्ले ह्या रॉकेटाक भारताच्या अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्रांचो जनक म्हणून वळख आशिल्लो विक्रम साराभाईचें नांव दिलां. नव्या सुरवातीचे प्रतीक ह्या हेतान ह्या प्रक्षेपण मिशनाक प्रारंभ अशें नांव दिलां. ह्या रॉकेटाचें प्रक्षेपण आंध्र प्रदेशांतल्या श्रीहरिकोटा सावन सकाळी सुमार 11:30 वरांचेर जालें. भारताच्या अंतरिक्ष इतिहासांतलो हो एक मायलस्टोन जावन आसा अशें म्हणीत इस्रोचो चेअरमॅन डॉ. पवन कुमार गोंयांका हाणें तोखणाय केली. तशेंच खाजगी विभागाचे अंतरिक्ष क्षेत्रांत प्रवेश करपाची ही एक नवी सुरवात आसा अशें ह्या वेळार इस्रोच्या चेअरमॅनान म्हणलें.
I'm happy to announce the successful completion of Mission Prarambh, the beginning of Skyroot Aerospace. The rocket VKS took off at LEA of 80 degrees and azimuth of 100 degrees, achieved an altitude of 89.5 kilometers and a range of 121.2 kilometers, exactly what was planned by Skyroot Aerospace. All systems, as I can make out, worked as planned, and Skyroot Aerospace has demonstrated capability of various subsystems that will go into the orbital launch vehicle. I congratulate Skyroot Aerospace, their team members, and thank various centers of ISRO, specifically SDSC, STRAC, and VSSC, team members of InSpace, led by Director PMA, Dr. Jain, and Director Technical, Mr. Rajiv Jyoti, and many thanks to multiple reviews conducted by experts from ISRO, InSpace, and from outside for the mission readiness and launch clearance, led by Dr. B. Suresh. This is a new beginning for Indian private sector entry into space, and it's a historic moment for all of us.